Good job. No ready. Ain't no dogs. Dottie. Missing Dottie.
Oh, she's in your truck?
Oh no. Not again. Dottie, come on. Come on, Dottie. If y'all ate my sandwiches today, they got a BLT yesterday. Hey, Blondie inside. Well, I don't know if y'all can see me here yet, but joys of this hound hunting stuff. Dogs hit off the truck. I knew immediately something was wrong. The dogs didn't act right. And yeah, they went like 60 yards and had them a coon. So that's all right. Little training, and we probably won't have that problem for a little while. But that's part of it. I know a lot of hound hunters go through this. You basically you don't show that part. So anyway. Well, we ain't found no bear off the road, so I'm gonna let these dogs off and take a walk. Well, I'm taking a walk down the ridge. Kind of been, what do you call it, one of them mornings. Dogs caught a coon right off the bat. As soon as I put them on the rig, I went like 800-900 yards, struck a track, and I knew something was wrong. As soon as I put them off the rig, they just didn't act just right. And then one of my younger dogs pulled off the road and caught a coon in a hole, so that was very enjoyable. And then they've struck probably 2 or 3 times coming out the road. And I can make all kinds of excuses for them, but to be honest, I really ain't sure what happened or what they's doing. But sometimes you got that. It's one of them things you'll think about, racking your brain exactly what they doing, why they did it. And sometimes you just don't really know. But that's why we love this stuff. So, but anyway, I'm back kind of rambling, just walking down the road, or walking down this old logging road path, and we're gonna try to find some bear. Yep, I'm getting on down through here. Kind of getting to the stage where I'm missing my mule. He called in sick today because he threw a shoe yesterday. Well, I'm down here crossing some of these ridges. Still looking for a bear. Well, they just found the track here and they act like it's a pretty good one. So. Hey, Dalton.
Yes, sir.
No, they're doing pretty good with it. I mean, I ain't watched them or heard them long enough.
Right.
Okay. Dalton said they're coming right on up the hollow, but got down here real low, like I say, the farthest from the truck that I was going to go, and struck a track. And they left out of there good. I think basically it was a running track when they got on it. So now I got to pull up out of all this mess. Get back to the road, get back to my truck.
Yeah, you can tell him all of them made it through it. They took it down the way and finally got going good with it now. Of course, dogs come in here on the road and they're just circling back and forth there in the river right now. Just tennis day. I'm pretty sure they're right on him pretty tight way they're acting, because they're just crossing back and forth across the river, and even pups and everything sticking with it. But they're sounding good if nothing else. I don't know if y'all can hear it in the background or not, but. Right there it is, right there. Right there he is. He's a big bear.
Yep, I'm in the road just a getting her. Me, Scruffy, and Corey, we're headed to you. Yeah, go ahead.
They're showing trees.
Okay. Scruffy? I'll drive. Thanks, Dalton.
Hate myself because I hit every bump in the road.
We're here getting ready to leave the truck's headed in. Dog's finally treated this bear, so let's go up there and get him. Another day.
I want to hear you, man.
You want to say anything, Cameron Dalton?
Yeah, they're getting on me about my driving. But I didn't wreck.
You know, we might as well get on top of that ridge. Yeah, I don't even know if I... Yeah, don't go this or that way. Oh yeah, that's where the road kind of comes up.
Gorgeous first YouTube check these be a new pair of boots for dogs. The Carolinas will hurt you.
We're broke because we bear hunt.
Corey, you see who I work for, right?
We're putting in about 3 to 4 days a week bear hunting. 1 day of work. Dalton, remember how you, you're short, you're short. You know,
Look at Mom. She can just don't know.
I know.
But then again, if I was short and weighed the same my weight, I'd have a belly out here. I look like
True.
Becky ain't hardly been over.
Scruffy did it right there in the road.
Well, we topped the ridge. We got about 300 yards to go. Me, you can start hearing them good now.
Hey George, y'all been to that Longhorn yet?
That was our last ride.
Where?
Last ride, Longhorn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is it pretty good?
I got their New York strip steak.
Yeah.
It was good. Real good. Service was great.
Yeah, it was a pile of people in that.
All right, we're almost to the tree. I'll stick this camera up and get the dog's tab back. Dogs away from the tree, getting them calmed down. I'm loose here in a minute, so I ain't gotta lead them off all this mess.
Oh man!
Nothing.
Saying something about me. Make fun of me, make fun of your daddy too. I said, you wore for 10 years at wearing mine? I said, tell him what you want.
Yeah, we're headed back to the truck. I've got far enough away. Turn the dogs loose. We're getting off the mountain now. Gotta go through a whole pile of brush down here next to a river and get back to the truck. We'll be there in just a minute. Hey, come on, y'all. I know. Come on, y'all. Wet and sweaty. Just popped out on the road, so I'll be back to the truck here in just a minute. What are y'all doing? Huh? Dogs loaded up. I'm gonna give them some water and head out for the day.
Sorry.
Yeah.